Hello. Today we will learn words from third episode of TV series Extra English. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me. Follow me, I'll show you the way. Keep it up. You're doing great, keep it up. Racquet. I bought a new racket for badminton. Never mind. Never mind, it's not important. Bet. I bet you can't run faster than me. Arrogant. He's too arrogant to listen to others. Weird. That was a weird dream last night. From now on, I'll wake up earlier. Perfume. She wears a sweet perfume every day. Gorgeous. You look absolutely gorgeous tonight. I smell a rat. Something's wrong here, I smell a rat. Glue. Use glue to fix the broken toy. Guess. Guess what I brought for you. Stick to. Stick to the plan and don't give up. Toe. I hurt my big toe while playing football. Script. She wrote the script for the new movie. Cheat. He tried to cheat during the exam. Attached. Please see the attached file for details. Cuddle. The baby gave her mother a big cuddle. Mousy. She had mousy hair and a quiet voice.